By 8:30 a.m., residents of Bujjuuko Satellite City residents were already in the premises of Commercial Court Kampala, waiting to hear their case filed against Jomayi Estates and General Tumukunde. The residents of Bujjuuko Satellite City and the lawyers representing General Tumukunde made their way to the courtroom of the Commercial Court. Court was today presided by Judge Stephen Mubiru, who listened to both parties before adjourning the case to 15th March 2022 to give all parties a humble time to settle their matters.
Given a final adjournment to the 15th of March this year at 9 a.m. to allow the parties some time to continue with their negotiation with a view to reaching an amicable settlement. In the case of failure to arrive at a settlement within that time, we should come ready to proceed with the application.
Residents of Bujjuuko Satellite City in their submission to court demanded for their land titles from Jomayi property consultants, having paid for them.
We had come for the second hearing of our objector proceeding, the application we had put in, objecting to the decision that court had taken by giving General Tumukunde the land to have it resold off. Yet he sold it to Jomayi. Jomayi sold it to us. We have built our houses there. We reside there. So today we had come to ask court to have that warrant of attachment cancelled. But court has given us more time to have a discussion between General Tumukunde, the Jomayi, and the purchasers so that we can have an amicable resolution and we get our titles.
The court's decision to adjourn the case came after lawyers of Lieutenant General Henry Tumukunde, led by Robert Kagolo, and the resident's lawyer, led by Stella Sinje, agreed to have a discussion outside court to try to sort out the grievances.
So the court has adjourned the matter to 15th March for parties to discuss and see that they come up with an amicable solution of the matter. My client wants to give the titles to these people. He has no problem. And Jomayi also is of the same view. So we have to resolve a few issues so that you can get your titles.
It has allowed the parties to negotiate and get a settlement. So I hope within the 2 weeks they have asked for, we shall be coming back to the people and letting them know of what is happening. But from an earlier engagement, they are all coming out.
The land in contestation measures up to 200 acres in Bujjuuko Satellite City, located in Impigi district. Most of the plots of land were bought over 10 years ago from Jomayi property consultant. The general manager of Jomayi, Edward Mwebaze, welcomed the move by the court to have the matter sorted.
I'm happy today Tumukunde himself, through his counsel, accepted the negotiation. And we are trying to go down in that negotiation to clear whatever that have been not going well. And I promise our client that as much as we go in that, negotiations on the ground together with General Tumukunde, we shall give back the result from that meeting, and that will be the consent. We had several meetings with General Tumukunde, but we had failed to get the consent, which will be approved by the court.
Lieutenant General Henry Tumukunde arrived when the court had already adjourned the case to get the full details.